Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope you are all doing very well. So friends, we have come with our new video today. The content of our new video today is going to be about how to blur video background in CapCut. So let's start the video without delay. First of all, you need to open the CapCut app. After opening, you have to select the video you will choose from new project. So first let's select our video. After selecting the video, you will see the add option here. You need to click on this add option. Afterwards, such an interface will appear in front of you. You will see many options below. You need to click on the effects option. Then you will see the video effects option here. You need to click on video effects. After that, you will see some options here. You have to click on the lens option. Then you will see an option called blur. You need to click on this blur option once. After clicking once, you have to click again to see adjust here. How much blur you will do, at that time you need to apply the blur. Video like this from here. After blurring the video, you need to click on the right option here. After that, you have used this option to blur. I'm increasing the camera completely. Increase it this much. Alright. What do you need to do after increasing it? Now you have to come back again. After coming back, you have to see the overlap option here. You need to click on this overlap. After doing that, go to add overlay and select this video once more. So let's select the video once again. After selecting the video, you need to click on the add option again. Then play this video again in exactly the same size. If there's any difficulty, it will be your problem. The video will look bad. So in this way, you will select your video again in that place. So after doing that, then after moving a little to the side, you will be able to see the option below to remove the background. You need to click on this remove background. After doing that, you will see why it went to the auto revive option. You need to click on it. So after doing that, you see our background is being removed. We will see that our background has been removed. I'm showing you the video once by playing it to show how it looks. In this way, you can remove your background.